Yabesha England 2-0.
2-1.
2-1. Then a man unya sajidi no.
England awaya de.
What's that one enya
England for anya de.
Na England for one first match no hwe bi. Na wonim say omo share is it Croatia?
By Morgan.
Okay, we the only film in Kasa.
Jordan first goal.
Jordan Besha first goal. Oh, sir. Okay. Yo, yeah, that's it. I see Jordan Besha first goal. Hello. Yeah, me pato wana menene kasai. Kofi, what are man? Pato ukase frame. Kwasiman. Kofi, ene I can see no say na hu no. Ghana besha England 1-0. Unyina so ne sen. England romo win Ghana pengana. Enti unyina so de munye duo. Okay, me dase. Hello,
Prof.
Yeah, me
Good evening.
Good afternoon. Pajawana menene kasi.
Dr. Andy Akosua Agogba.
Yeah, Andy Akonio, Bingwamako. Andy Akoni.
I'm so confused.
You are so confused. Why? Tell me.
I don't know confused though.
I didn't try.
Yade pai papa emu yade better omochi.
Yeah, empire bokwa.
Okay. With two and against Ghana.
Debbie, would you also why you confused? Then I'm why you confused.
Because and the board of me so. My bompire ready me so. What
bompire? What you say? Ghana edin kugu. I know you ding England. Ghana saying what you who you Debbie, wait me, Debbie, wait me, I can't. Why ya won't mean no. One Yamia Yatra say, Bono, England, but I say, Ghana, be a 5 goals, 6 goals. Goals do not send a who ye, oh, each read them.
It's 4-1 against Ghana.
4-1 against Ghana. Boy. Where do you get
it is making my confusion. In fact, I may but Ghana baby. No, Pato,
Meet you, pa.
Pato, and I last week, remember for investing. Yeah, when I cut when I could, because I say, almost go to so many quarter. It is a master say, victory, yeah, Boka, Ghana, yes,
victory no ebeba aya Ghana yentu ye boase me das ne futuro. Hello yeah me bato wana me kasai okay you better wase ama kwa baba edwumadi do so da you can say so for my maybe phrases here was it the ohu no England versus Ghana 4-1 say na wosu hu akan say no.
Oh, Ghana, you tell me Ghana, also put the look out there, the cantonment to Ghana, baby, 2-1.
Ghana, be winning match in 2-1. Then I won't win so.
Oh, me not one there. They will be coming. They will play. Almost coming, but they're not so moving. It will be a short account, and our working will be answering the entire account. It's a higher or you
now, yes, of Mammy can say, Yamia Yachan 4-1 against Ghana. No, and no, Union. Oh, I saw one if you compare other one by Obia, no, if I can have them. Because what is that for 1 year? Ghana for Obia the one. Now, say, only say, World Cup, Argentina to me bogus. Sasuda Brazil to me bogus, Germany to me bogus. So what I say? And you say Ghana 4-1 and young one.
Ghana no want to say Ghana no what the I what the go be I some of us. You go go as two.
All right. Medase. Hello.
Hello.
Now, one of them can say radio be bell. My radio no go for. Okay. The matter one of them can say. Gideon.
Bismarck.
Okay, Bismarck. What are my here can say free. Okay, Teshi, Bismarck. My auntie, I can't say no one is saying. Bismarck, what are you? I don't know if still I will be radio, no, because feedback, okay. Say, who say I can't say no one is saying? England, England, Besha Ghana won.
Of course.
Oh, okay. So, what's your reason?
There is no England.
All right. Mami nasi sa oba jumedi no so emo bibia na wo na wo kasa no. Da kasa no na edin pa say yebeti wo ne no papa. Me pacho, what's also your predictions? We are keeping records of ayemo amofre na kai 0260 196064 0260 196065 also betimi afre na ode wadwen kire Aboagye radio no live here on Sompa 106.5 for Gordon County. All right, so we have a caller here. Mami attended to call away. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, bro.
Yeah, before I want to say. Mabna kasa for him. Okay. Boom. Tema. Mabna tema. Mabna and then I can't see no one is saying.
Messi 2-1 against England.
O say mobile ding, but who they were Rishemu say Ghana be ding kunim 2-1. And you feel that you have enough reasons to cease to say Ghana be ding kunim.
Yes,
enough reasons no ya ding the dinger.
Oh, say before what of the start now send for them to do I said last thing, but now we stop here. This be a for 40 trade training by both on. It would be the same for everything.
Nah, said the Ghana said the Ghana for a bomb pie. No, did he say Nyankopon a bit Ghana for sufre? Now, England for the bomb pie, Nyankopon NGO. And you know, you are saying 2-1.
Yes.
May that say. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Maybe I don't want to say. Yeah, I don't know, but also can say for him. La Paz. Ma yenasi. Ebi mo kase Ghana be din kunim 2-1. Ebi mo say Ghana be lusu 1-0. Obi kra kase Ghana be lusu 4-1-4 to England. Now I'm asking you, one kasa no say na wo dwen.
Ready to match with Ghana fan.
Match no Ghana fan easy.
Yes, especially like almost so keep pressure from the
O say 90 minutes na be ko wie no na sen na na gina pen ne tie na Ghana win ana.
Yeah, win by one.
Ghana will win by 1 goal.
Yes. And it's that tournament that is the Ghana is the judge. And yes, our friend said, Mammy, Mamma, fine. I think the Mammy can friends match.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tournament, you know, mobile. Great.
So say tournament where the Ghana yen free more group stage.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And Tibo with the Ghana be when you want.
Oh yes. Yeah, fun is yes. So you need part. You need part. It's not the good thing, because you won't say, any I just start getting alcohol. Any motor. No, you must have a Ghana for guy. It's a choice. They good free. They much.
Wow.
It's not because of some mama you find to can and I'm making someone.
All right. Okay. Yes, we had that say pass yeah, say obey you no so. Yeah, say what is your thinking like? What drink you match when they're saying Ghana, you be winning and I said Ghana, you winning. That is what I want to know right here, of course, on the show. And then Dr. Palgrave Boache Dankwa of the New Patriotic Party, and be 1-on-1, but we are told that we have a commentary, and I'm muscle. But let's see. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pacho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. One minute, I say.
Pacho, Joseph.
Joseph, what are you free? Okay, Joseph, I can't see no one is saying.
I know yeah, but 5 goals no.
5 goals now matching them.
Yeah, 2-3 for Ghana.
2-3. What's the match? 5 goals and a woman.
5 goals no.
And a Ghana be winning 3-2.
3-2.
Ghana so benya penalty.
Yeah.
Hey, now finishing where they are. I hear from Ura ya who. Yeah, they are winning. They be chilling me. I hear Ura ya when you are winning.
No, the two party we will no number. No, the two party which is in favor of Ghana. With the money for Hawaii.
We are numerologist, Anna. David, Mukasa, Misu Amtia, me, I believe, the old kind of Mimoshi. We are sad, and I'm for right. I'm for Maroko, my members out. My members are Aducabenecho.
Metro Georgia.
Georgia Viona.
You get that you
Keye onto etenu eponom epomuomo Ghana miaduji by 3 points. Hey, I'm a view here. Mi gano ngomo na mi nwa ngo come on jina bana tamyo remi sajo kaka mi sajo re mo re cho anya kawe mi dey that's ayo akpa ayo all right, Sompa 106. Akwa ko kan be kan na fo. Me ba jo wo se wa dwe kire de say. 0260196064 0260196065 my ente honka enewie I was Sompa 106.5 FM. But we understand that it's only 8 o'clock. Not much Russia here. All right, Bachomenya Obiama. Hello. Me patrol you one of them kasi. Osu wa na patrol free. Okay, Osu ya kasa free dance man. Osu ma mintie we, I can see no say na hu no.
Mi jo pa igwe no ya dia pa da o tie igwe ta.
Oh, anyo vola, a flavor, a jato bluto. Oh, sir. Okay, we are retired officer. Now, born who is saying? Ghana
and Casano say Ghana. I can't be a very and in the first place, in Ghana, a year, on my dear, young Papa. Obi on Papa Sabasi and some your wife, and I can't see this and a football nation. Performance on Diana and money as a more general time we are doing, you got to support your being some pound. Friday matches in the 2 million papa. If you know, how can I get oh, we are not a it's your 5 years ago, we near. You use performance and go wrong. Tunisia, first amount on 5. And a farm coach, second one, I think,
yeah.
And so now from coach, not from coach, don't go to that. Coach, not showing you one more, what to talk one, and I have Papa anything. And you can't have it, and you know who are, you know, we have a photo. I didn't know if I were.
Ah,
now they are shame. Performance in the better than you, don't fight. One more year out there, we didn't know what you're looking at. And by the way, I want to be performance in the better. We don't need all one shot effect. But performance in your money, you didn't predict that you're share one and
but why should I get a wedding kugo?
But you want to be who would in your life?
But would they said the one case what two boss I analysis no me GDP say what would the ABC then ABC
your casa no e we need no tin ka
oh Rabbi Jesus ai akwa ngona afro but ewo enisuo ne one kasa wo hwe performance wo hwe England modern bo na wo hwe Ghana modern
so performance no dia ka ka UK power through chain
okay
and to be always ready to finish and on say the big say king near the say all experience
yeah
what you want to see have say then say why you have it
oh na some nyo
David of uncle.
Hurricane, you're a hurricane. Hurricane, you're a hurricane. Yeah.
It's the best experience. I want to know what you want to do.
No great. Wow. No great.
But you think that obesity
but your coach, first match, who the performance?
Your first match?
Yeah.
Yeah. One or two individuals to be one. On experience in drum, on show, send your ball. 1 or 2, 3 players on the year of my senior day. But you know, we are what are you
Matthias?
I'm going to open my street.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're put you that your life is immediately now. Oh, you move, you know, you know what I said? Yes, you know, one so we get African power with the child now, but you got to figure out Daddy. And an individual, national Obia or not being.
Yeah.
Now, I'm telling you now, something that only has to start watching. I don't have one panel. And you put your chairman putting up so over the phone, and you can say, what you got to come and go up, but you can say. Oh, no, no, send me a one on the Canada. Only you don't want that's over 1 year, 1 month, and the performance on you on one, Ghana will be able to. Mami Nasi, so Mami Nasi, you've spoken extensively. Yo, bye. Oh, sorry, Makati. All right, so maybe I shall bet you friend 0260 196064 0260 196065. And that yeah, the microphone no abamufie. Samusumun kabi. That is what we've done. Maybe I shall radio my radio no go for Mami Wai.
Hello.
Yeah, maybe I shall want to say. Okay, Isaac is Legon. Is Isaac Mamintiwe? Yeah.
Because I don't know.
Sure.
Okay. Israel says, "Come with you,
no correct.
Now, who shall be a one and a coconut? Almost could say, performance, there, say, now who could about one and now one and a cocoa. Upon you will do. Upon you will do. The medical that didn't know the hour, did he? Into the people ahead of you are. Over tries won't be. Over trial that won't be. But this match here Ghana the Brady. So who can qualify there? Ghana will lose, but Ghana and Croatia. And I play a farmer since they won any billion battle. A former plan because they lose we are. Third match, no.
Yeah.
What do you do and die?
Okay. Third match and never do and die.
One and never do and die, no.
But when did you say a belus?
Oh, when did they lose? And I'm literally just only Bano. No, the players will play there, says no, could it do. Example, a memano. Who could a very two, I will be to me an hour. Because over a team and I could face in now. Oh, I'm players for high team. Sure. I want for high team. Like none of players, none of the mother. One other would do our workers and who was Samayadi. Samayone, Patti. We Samayane Patti, mobile high team, Nadiakano, high team then or mobile. Well, maybe I will teach you then of we in I won't buy that and I put over. Yes, I may board the one. Yeah, me body our one. But I come over because I know see. Yeah. Qualifies now. Everybody now. Friendly match now. Everybody now. I'm going to say it's me. Yeah, team. I didn't know. You didn't know. Kofi Kinata. Oh boy, Mama Blaster. No one offer. Old players now. New players now. Old in the past. There's one more. No one offer. Old players. Because don't go fifty nine and I'm going to give old players. The new players in another. I don't want from one boy because almost could not agro Brahmanos no more diagro. It is a obi diagro as a whole one in your man. I don't know anything, you know, what for Sulamutari in the market and more criminal. That means you say the GDP was I praise in the machine. New players, yeah. New players, you know. What you might guess, yes. What you okay. Because you're one I am when yeah, anybody. Now, so I was almost a by 1 hour. You will be a bomb pie. Be a bomb pie. I can go for no on what I had seen. On what a name seen. I was a kind of way. You will lose in a third match, you know. One you do and die. Kakra meet my canon.
And you know, so Yabelusu 1-0.
3-2 against Ghana. 4-2 against Ghana. And then I lose. But one day, over here, 3 points Ghana.
All right, Mammy Nasi, so my. And then, some hatcher say, Ghana can see a way into no. Ya bombarding to your microphone every studio, ha. And the microphone, a brew fee. Send us to Chewadrin na Casa. Na my yente wonka. Hello?
Hello.
Me pachawana mene kasi.
Mama Efi.
Mama Efi. Wada ma pachawa kase frame. Okay. Mama Efi. Ene I can see no. Amanfo kase pi. Say na wo so hu I can see no.
Ya omo de kana ne adien. Ghana for. Unye gidi. Gori atoni dai David ikofo. Na wani mu se David wetin ekun gori a. And now so ko fiki na ata ni no boy.
Yeah.
What say that for omo many. Nye se onye ni Akosua hu no kan what say asamuaja abani we dani. It's almost a papa for na we mu ye enema. Ghana and the boy near the bomb. Ghana best 3.
Ghana best 3. Na omatimu 1. Because me also yes of mommy. Aha. Was it emu? And 3-1 a correct score. So for mommy. You.
And I better. At the papa born, my kind.
And no correct.
And see a better woman.
Sure. So Mama Nasi. Why? Hello.
Hello, Aboagye.
Yeah, me pacho. Good afternoon.
Me pacho afternoon.
Wadarma, why na mene kasi?
Wadarma, we ya unia Felix Bell ahimpa yilo problem.
Okay, that's fine. In there, yes, false. And I mean, say. And then I can see, you know, from your honest point of view, I can see who is saying.
Good afternoon. I'm not going to send you. Media, Yamidia Kanok. Media, me who say, yet Tim Media. I said, I'm running and no grandson.
Yet Tim,
Omude omutim niti ejira ne nanso papa enti no medium empire be born say yebenya draw
empire wo born say yebenya draw
empire be born say yebenya draw
wow
you can player here yentu omo enti players no me stress and Omo bomb match ni say teamwork. A team. Unya ball na. Kitchen super ni check.
Okay.
Unya ball na no worry.
Unya ball na pat no wa pass. Unya ya pat no wa pass. Unya ya pat no wa pass.
Not pass. Unim say no. Oh na e ba ye no.
Yeah.
Say anka Jordan the news about now all pass you.
Oh, so I said, man, okay, I won't eat him.
Master.
Oh, Obasa go ahead.
Oh, no one can have a bubble.
Aye, where so?
And then yes, the coach did say,
yeah.
Yanka say, and Mark Jordan and Bob. The on bench, no matter, no matter, and party match.
Asante no.
Asante no. On party match no. Only say, and man, Jordan won.
Yeah.
Not you. It's your best players in the match in the year. Say to me, share. And almost say.
All right, Mami Nasi.
Then it's the last match. You don't go share. And just go France. You better qualify.
All right. Mami Nasi Salva. Hello, good evening.
Aboagye.
Yeah, me pacho why ni?
Ati mo ti sire.
Oh, me who you?
Ede nyame ase.
No crack asa. No grass na hot to say. Media Yamia Yabiama, and I'm GDP so by Yabiama, Mamping. Now, to say, then I'll pass me amount. Okay, and then you may point show ya mean one more brand and good UI. Now, so would Domia, but Domia bra, and one more.
And Domia, me, and the long say, crowd, and said that you have to move 5 kilos.
And there I won't. And then you know me coffee na me no anwa mo na. Mia me de be fa card na baba hwehwe. E wo
long process, long process.
Ah. So be di me mo ni.
And you will be a medicine who can cry.
Ah, there be. Na me crowd be can cry me nim sende. Me phone e bi ni so.
Oh, die.
No grab no grass.
I would me be caught. No, allow me to do a honor.
Yeah.
Obey me a banner.
Who are they?
Let me see.
Ah, why are they?
Ejramwa.
Oh, no grasser. No grasser. Oh, yeah. No grasser. And then match who they say? Yes.
Say, maybe so. On your ferry, no free credential.
No free Egypt, eh?
Egypt. Anna Moses is free credential.
Israel.
And so when you go for money by every day, maybe G Moses say where they say Pharaoh Sunkuni.
Yeah.
So called Islamic calendar moi. That Busumi we a Busumia Moses Edi or he Pharaoh Sunkuni.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Islamic calendar. It is a Kodu on the 9th now. On the 9th, on the 10th, no. Anna Sada, no, and Sada date, you know, Anna, Unyakupo Mensu, a Yilfa, a Yeno, or Inferno.
Okay.
If you do also a Muslim, yeah, fasting, a on the 9th, on the 10th. It is, yeah, sure, you know, Unyakupo de Ma, a Mutis, no.
Yeah.
Or my Ghana. I'm a Yeti, England, the Forson Queen.
Wow.
Maybe you want to we are when you're upon Edma or Koshini and Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm called battle for that. Jim Kunim and I found you way by Isaja Nasurullah or Fatawara Itanas Yaduluna fi Lillah Waja Asadi behind the Arabic and Firahu in the Hunkana Tawaba. Organizing Kunim, one difference.
One difference. Mami Nas, inshallah. To Shere Munguri. Hello. What have you say?
Good evening, bro.
Good evening, Bacho. Ima Ekasa Frido Winya. Ima na ene akensi no say na ye hu akensi no. Yes.
England, Ghana, not more than 3 goals.
England, Ghana, not more than 3 goals.
And above. And
England bet me Ghana 3-0. Or bet me Ghana 2-2. Hey.
3-0, 4-0.
Oh, okay. No. Sir. Na then who know yen
oh na say investors ya ko kikesi ye ho die
mu investors
ye ho die
na makọ fikesiem na mukọ fikesiem da na wo fikesiem
okesi ni chese England in Ghana over 2.5 which is 3 goals 4 goals 5 goals and more 3 goals and more
sa anti sana fikesiem e kan anti boys e dey go efficaciem enkomo no so.
So, I think so
over 2.5.
Ina me katro.
Shall na ekodane e na chese investment no go.
It's been done.
Sa. Na muji eye mo efikesie no mudi. Ah, eye adwuma. Okay. Antino efikesie no me bacho efikesie mo sese su dua bio. Wo se efikesie no enkomo be na da ho.
Over 2.5, 3 goals and more.
3 goals and more, over 2.5. Yes. Okay. Mami nasi. Mami ne call any. Get a focus. Investors in the swab kasa. Mami mfa call. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But one am in the kasi.
Oh, the word prophet and start ground schedule.
Okay, you better was ama kwaba. Ama focus pi yenya minyabotre. Yenya sofu mami mo be kasa. Yenya investors ama mo abekasa ana yenya yenuanu mu a won free voter yanwonafo omso mu yedu omso ma abekasa se wo no aka se no hu
Matthew chapter 24 and darkness and you like
Matthew chapter 24
Prophet Muhammad nothing out of Africa or Ghana
Hello. Okay, wait to me now. See Matthew chapter 25. Wow. Hey. Na baby I no akwakuduni. Huh? Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
baby I don't
ABC.
Bibi aboko ABC. My intio. Nyabotre my intio. Me pacho my intio. A be de. Ubu saba kadita no my intio. Mate. A be de fa number no mame. Number ne yedenga. 0243 72 33 37. Okay, and what we need now prediction to our data. I have 4 gig. Why? Okay, and to my mintio on in this match.
2-1.
2-1.
You pass me pastor, me give for me be asiate. Na Adunyame is on board. Na second chance. Me service Adu Chibia, prophet of the Most High. And you know, say and then 2-1. Me na me pelete by win here. Ebe win.
And to Ghana Basha 2-1.
2-1. By the envy me pastor, me na me pelete we back. Do my pastor in Ebe win.
Na say asa me who video be and am social.
And enter me kasa.
Okay, that's fine. Mami Nasi. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Me paso one am in the kasi. Okay, do the do. Mami ntie we. Ghana match no sign na hu no.
Ghana match no. Prop, I said no, very difficult.
What? I don't think it's difficult.
Hey, team here na ko show we international team.
Sir. Oh, Debbie, when I can, I mean, me to meet you.
Martin, no, a bad thing. Yes, so now, by his grace.
Yes, sir, Englander. Now, I am me, I grace being there, and I'm so, yeah, Bessie.
Me feel London, echo US. Eh, na no kwad wo kura fa me boma mania. Na papa mo ho te sei. Awurade aduma haboko. Na kujejesi, ekwo bosempene mu. De woton adansi ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Ekwo ba, mesi wo boduma kura sere kane no a. Na wodro US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Eh, papa US hakura dance Italy, London, Canada. Eba adansi ho niam dia. Obian se na kujejesi company limited. Ba ko so pokura se nkran ha obiase na kodwodesi eye bemaba e wadansi mu waton cement iron rods banding wires enadua plywood and just say the board dance ro te se bibia e de hye adansi ase de ko wie depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo wudu kuka mu a wode kodwa free akra wuyi ka so depo ene pokura se de no kra to nchen a wo sa wo bu akoteman tantra hill iron city amanfrom wase bie depo kɛseɛ nso ɛwɔ Kɔhyiman Kumasi Sepase depo no kora da nkyɛn a ebi so magazine ampa ba meboshen Tano so Breman and a Manfrum. Numbers of Manford Frey 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teach us Sompa First Service. Ewo homayen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osoro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa kire ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese hu techema eno ene ye fa ne siatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu
panonsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
All right, fa woda no nyina share eradensa na erade ebeye abaw. Warwick na ene wabro ma fine hoka.
Prof, yema etiefo ne ahwefo nyina kwaba ba Sompa 106.5 FM. Sane ne Ghana gina okunu de na otie etiefo course no mayiri na chese kamia zene no Ghana fo gidie wanim. Na ye tenase se ya adwumako bi na boy yasene anaso omuso ye mu 2074 we twa ne tia kan se T74 ye nananu modudu a na omo ye ma tetimire mu no mo show kukum anopa sori anu anum bi anwumere ko ba bi ababa bi na wasan be se bi anum ne anum na no pa ne anwumere na boy ho ban pa na 2074 yi wona ye no simple kura se si ade wona in simple crab bubu atuam kama say your blood related issues, high blood pressure, high sugar level, chronic wounds, hepatitis B and C, say your kidney infections, say liver infection, prostate enlargement, say your numkankan, ulcer, menstrual pains, chronic cough, so be bowasa anani mu kuhu, say your asthma, say your bo and a chill, and say pain be wo bo. Nina 2074 a general body dra sa wunumbia ebe kama pama na se open dudu atu e won kran ha wo de frɛ number yi 02460 73498 Mississippi 0246 073 498 and I say 0501 628931 2074 eye dudu ma papa na mum okanshi drug lane ebi wo ho Kumasi Ashton Colinac Heba ehonsu
na one intimi numbi
apemfo ye kan wona intimi numbi apemfo ene wona wo ma nkora nufo no wontimi enumbi ni akwara wodi mfie less than 12 ono so wontimi enumbi enti eho asem no na endpoint Dr. Duboatin ene free wasebra se wo yare wani nyina sprinter share signboard wasebra ne won hwema se ye infertility be ma wontumi nyinsen wo ba prostrate men eno so ewo ho premature ejaculation so body born ya na chese bibia besen nerve disease kidney issues any liver issues ni nyina Dr. Duboatin se bra no won hwe ni nyina ma na dabridwo ni ne ekeka osikwa no de emwa anhwe oba ne kwa wo mabiem enti bra no hwe ni nyina ma se ne daache bi ana se mbre bi no oba no betimi afro se wo ye be memu enti Dr. Duboatin se bra no hwe san yare we nyina ma na asem de wo mu kura se a o provide physiotherapy ene massaging ewo ho se wo nipa no anasa wo yarefo no wontimi enko no fra Dr. Duboate mane mrefie na o mehwe wo saa ne mane nyina ma na o meye massage ma physio ni nyina wo meye ma Dr. Duboate so okita ne phone no enti friend sesi a nane ne nkasa na won hwe ni nyina ma eye 0244 867068 0244 867068 and I say 0274 234321 0274 234321 Dr. Duboate Zebra no hwe wa yare sane nyina emmam na sam daba 21st clinic sciatica originator sciatica paysetters sciatica commandant sciatica researcher one na hwehwe mu hu say yare bi wo ho a ye frɛ sciatica na saa sciatica ne ye saa yare na pain no enna musisi achi utumpom ho ekwa akosi waist downwards ekosi wo name we found wo name to one efa o ties mkosi wo nan ase hon sciatica no saa yare no na 21st clinic ahwehwem ehu na diaba ono ne pe na wokɔ wo betimi ahwehwɛ sciatica nim asa yare na ma enye obi na ato adren kan ne yesinka saa yare ne ba so na obi na ato adu da bi sciatic nerve na wo usisi achi won ekofa otumpum eho na eho atochima enti bra na wo hwe ni nyina ma sisi ade asem de aba ne 21st clinic 15 branches across the country baby bia ukwa won behwem enkra ha Tantra Hill roundabout wo ho tema Roman Catholic asori dan echi ho a wo ho na ka so anso New Market Obom Road ubehuom Kumasi ehwa overseas one Sompa FM building no ene wo ho Sunyane opposite Regional Hospital first gate no wo ho Techiman OGN Bank building no wo ho Nkranza Children's Park no wo ben won pa Takwa low cost same building omne Sompa FM no ene wom Takra de Efiekuma number 9 taxi station ubehum uko brekum nso a ene go so ne oboase a ubehu 21st clinic frewom nani woni nsa woso eye 0540 311 311 21st clinic number net the rough 0540 311 311 frewom nani woni nkodi nsa woso na wonhwe bibia ma na se wo pese wo twamfoni no anasa wo ye video no TikTok fo no wona wo ye wedding wona wo ye engagement se wo bibia wo kra no na se wo pe baby e se wo twamfoni no correct anasa wo be twamfoni ni mawa enko baby a me ye be recommend am eye RSYD Novigi Studio when wo backdrop se wo pe local backdrop se wo pe foreign backdrop se wo pe ni nyina no RSYD Novigi Studios ebeye ni nyina ma na sem de wo no kra se wo creative director ewo ho a wo be kire wo se o fa ha ye sei ye ni nyina bi no wo ho enti ani RSYD eni nsa wo so na ne opese wo ye concerning photography any videography ni nyina no wonye ma frɛ won eye 0574 715 778 0574 715 778 and I say 0303 974 822 RSYD Novigi Studios where your vision becomes a reality.
Now watch baby on more.
Abasi and Kraham Malam Abasi off First Kukuku Street and to Kowa. That's right.
Now and that one I'm afraid young Shane sorry.
And Nano and Crawford Bibria Frey Yenya and Crawford 18.
All right.
Now you did can't Frey Kofi Community 9 at Tema. Was it England Besha Ghana 1-0. And I also Isaac and so Frey East Legon. On also predicted 1-2 against England. And now Kofi Kwashima on also predicted 0-1 another 1-0 against England. And now Akosua Agbogba say and ne England Besha Ghana 4 Ghana betimu ba akupe.
Debi and yes I no can or say England Besha 4.
England Besha 4. Ghana betimu ba.
That's right.
And now official Kantamanto one also say Ghana Besha 2 England betimu ba kunte be 2-1. And now Bismarck free Teshi on also say England Besha Ghana 1 into 1-0. And now Mabena so free Tema ono so say Ghana be she 2 ba England betimu baako ya free La Paz o say England Ghana be she 1 ente be 1-0 na Joseph free East Legon o say match na yebobo ni nyina goals 5 ne wom Ghana benya penalty na Ghana be she 3 na England betimu 2 into 3-2 into 5 goals ne wom no owusu free Dansuman on one play ye nya ne prediction no Isaac every East Legon was it either say a bear 3-2 against Ghana and I say 4-2 against Ghana. Mama every sprinters was it Ghana better me and England betting baako. Felix Bell Krobo on also say Ghana match and a bear draw. And no crassa there was a one difference near names say 2-1 or say 3-1 or say 4 yeah also about one difference.
All right.
And now Emmanuel the winner on say 3 goals. 3 goals. Or it not more than 3 goals?
All right.
3 goals more against Ghana. Prophet is free. Aguna Swedru on also predict ABC SA 2-1 against England.
All right.
Do and so by the grace of God we will win.
All right. Okay. I have this birthday message to do. Me pacho we message we. Free Yankasa Yenua Benjamin Asari or MPP National Communication Team member. Also Yema Frida Boateng, happy birthday. So Frida Boateng, these are the words of Benjamin Asari wishing you on this day. Also, words alone cannot express how happy I am for you for celebrating another year of your life. My wish for you is that your birthday is always and will always be special with a great happiness and health. Also, I really appreciate you a lot. Don't ever change. Happy birthday to my sweet and beautiful sister, Wefree Benjamin Asari. And say happy birthday to you. Ebusha for Ahana Mrema Kwame Jumede de see. Your friend Kobla Abuchi. Safu Kantanka Ebono Numa one day live commentary ebe bremo. Na Yamia Drumwa Ochina Yebeshia. But up next, yeah the news Bremo.